Evaluate each expression for a equals -4, b 7, and c -11. First expression is b minus a minus c. So first we have to substitute every variable by the given values. So b, let me write this is equal, b is 7, so we have 7. We have to copy negative sign, and a is -4, so I have to put this in parentheses. Negative sign we have to rewrite. Always copy the signs exactly the same, and c is -11, so I will put this number in parentheses. So this is equal. Now we have subtraction in this expression. So we know that the order of operations applies to integer operation as well as positive number operations. So when we have subtraction, we just start from the left side and we are going to the right side. We have 7 minus -4. Two negative signs. Always remember, when you have two negative signs, give you positive sign. So let me write this. Negative, like times negative, is always positive sign. So we can rewrite that 7 minus -4, that this is 7 plus 4. And again, negative and negative give me positive sign. Two negative signs build one positive sign. So we have again plus 11. So this is equal. And now we have just addition of numbers. So 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 11. So this is 22. And next example. We have to first substitute variables by the given numbers. So c is -11. We have to write this in parentheses. Negative sign we have to copy. A is -4. And we have minus, b is 7. So we have -11. Negative and negative. Again, negative and negative give me positive sign. So we have plus 4 minus 7. So this is equal. We have addition and subtraction of integers. We use the same order of operations which we use for the positive numbers. So we have to start from the left side and we are going to the right side. We have addition and subtraction only. We have -11 plus 4. Addition of two integers with different signs. First is negative, second is positive. So what we have to do first? Check which of these two numbers, we forgot about signs before these two numbers, we just check which is greater. 11 is greater than 4. So we check now the sign before this greater number is negative. So we copy negative sign, and in parentheses we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 11 minus 4, and we have minus 7. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. 11 minus 4 is 7, and we have minus 7. We have -7 minus 7. I can rewrite that this is just -7 plus -7. Why I do this? Because now I see what I have to do. I have addition of just two negative numbers. Let me write this, because positive and negative give me negative. So I didn't change anything. I only rewrite our expression to see what kind of operation I have to do this. So come back to our example. We have -7 plus -7, two negative numbers. So we copy negative sign and we just add this two numbers, 7 plus 7. So this is equal. Negative sign you will rewrite. 7 plus 7 is 14. So this is my solution. For the first expression we got value 22, and for the second is -14.